Today we're talking about the war between Israel and Iran. So today's news is bad. It's our intermediate news, and today is Tuesday, June the 17th, 2025, and our location, of course, Iran and Israel. Okay, let's look at our words. War, airstrikes, missile, military, nuclear, dangerous, weapons, retaliated, drones, government, airports, we've got a few more, injured, evacuate, directly, and capital. Okay, lots of words in there. Israel and Iran are now at war. Okay, war is always bad. It began when Israel launched airstrikes on Iran's missile bases, military buildings, and nuclear labs. Israel says it wants to stop Iran from making dangerous weapons. Iran retaliated with over 100 drones and missiles. Some hit buildings in Tel Aviv and other cities. Israel answered by bombing more government sites and airports. Over 200 people have died in Iran and at least 24 in Israel. Many are injured and people are leaving cities like Tehran to stay safe. Foreign governments have asked both sides to stop. U.S. President Trump told people in Iran's capital to evacuate, but Israel says it will continue. This is the first time the two countries are fighting directly. Before, they used secret attacks or proxies. Now the world is watching and hoping for peace. So am I, right? Okay, what did Israel launch? Why did Israel launch airstrikes on Iran? Here, it's all incorrect, right? Our intermediate video, all right? You need to think of the correct one. Okay, think of the correct answer. How did Iran retaliate? Okay, sorry. How did Iran retaliate? I keep on getting a frog in my throat, so sorry if you can't understand me today. I'll try to speak more clearly. What did Trump tell people in Iran's capital to do? And which kind of building did Israel bomb in Iran? And what word describes how Israel and Iran are now fighting, right? How, right? How are they fighting now? They were never friendly, but they're fighting differently now. So how are they fighting? All right, we're doing game words this week. So game match. All right, we've talked about match before. Non-game match, like my shoes match my dress or something, maybe. AI made that pick, not me. All right, match, a game, competition, or contest between players or teams, okay, like sports. And then match, two things that are the same or go well together. All right, so shoes, my shoes match my dress or something like that, or hopefully match each other. Match, here's the spelling and the pronunciation. Match. Okay, match. There's no T sound in there. It's just one syllable. The soccer match ended in a tie after an exciting game. Her shoes were a perfect match for her dress. Okay. Weather for Wednesday, June the 18th, 2025. That's tomorrow. Mexico City, high of 24, low of 13, and it will be mostly sunny. For Jakarta, Indonesia, a high of 30, a low of 24, and partly rainy. And Hanoi, Vietnam, high of 32, a low of 26, and it will be mostly rainy. Okay. All right, so we talked about the weather, we talked about match and the unfortunate war. Guys, I hope you have a good Tuesday, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.